So as the meniscus sits in the joint, like this, we're talking about posterior horn, so back of the knee. I've learned that I'm a very visual teacher, as I am a visual learner, and it's easier for students to conceptualize things when they can actually have it in hand and see it. So I started with the knee because it's pretty simplistic. It's truly 4 bones that make up the knee joint and the ligaments that connect them together. So it was a pretty straightforward joint to build. I just felt that if I could find something that moves and I can demonstrate, here's the mechanism, here's the result of the mechanism, it gives students a better idea of, okay, this is what's going on, and this is how I'm going to rehabilitate it, or I'm going to refer it, it's going to need surgery. It just gives them a better grasp of the situation and what's going on.
And our surgeons are very strict on what they want, and so it's hard for us to communicate that.
As an athletic training clinician, we're always trying to find the best ways to take care of our patients and explain injuries to them.
You almost want to take him this and show this to him.
Right.
And then as faculty, when we teach our students what's the best way, that we can show them what we're talking about when we have a particular injury.
And surgery is probably the only fix for that, yeah.
A textbook can only teach you so much. You can't really take off someone's leg and look at that, so being able to see that model is really helpful.
Once you see it in person, and then you can see how like the meniscus is like moving and understanding how these tears can happen, and then really visualizing what they look like in real time.
Maybe we can repair it, maybe we can't repair it.
It's a very hands-on profession, so the more that we can, we talk about it, but the more that they can put their hands on something and actually visualize it, the better off that they are.
And their level of understanding increased across, because they actually get to see them and hold them in their hand and see what a bucket handle tear looks like. Because you can see them in a picture, you can see them, when the surgeon does a surgery, but for us who are only in there, here and there, it's a lot harder to understand.